In this video, we'll be looking at the forms and uses of the past perfect progressive. Let's begin. The form of the past perfect progressive is had plus been plus the verb with the ing ending. So this is similar to the past perfect. We have had as the helping verb, but now we also have the be verb in the past participle form, and we have the verb with the ing ending to show that it's progressive or a continuing action. The past perfect progressive describes the duration of an activity that was in progress before another activity or time in the past. So it's used to express how long an activity was taking place before something else in the past. Keep in mind, this is not a very frequently used verb tense. Here's an example. The children had been playing in the water for 2 hours before their mom came. So we have had been playing as the past perfect progressive, and we have the duration for 2 hours. So it's used to show how long they had been playing before their mom came. So the second action in the past is in the simple past. It's also used in reported speech. If the words spoken were used in the present perfect progressive, the past perfect progressive is used to report those words. Here's an example. Mom, how long have you been playing in the water? The reported speech. Mom asked how long they had been playing in the water. So her exact words are here in quotation marks, and her exact words are using the present perfect progressive. Now, if someone else is going to say what mom said in reported speech, they will use the past perfect progressive instead. The past perfect progressive is also used to express an activity that is close in time to another activity or time in the past. Here's an example. Their clothes were wet because they had been playing in the waves. So they had been playing in the waves is an activity that is close in time to another activity or event in the past. So their clothes were wet. That means that they were not still playing in the waves, but they had been playing in the waves just before that time. When this photo was taken, they had been playing in the waves for 15 minutes. Now this sentence is showing the duration of an activity. So they had been playing in the waves for 15 minutes. That is the length of time. So you can see that in this diagram here. So this shows that they had been playing in the waves for 15 minutes. There's a length of time and a duration of time when this photo was taken. So when this photo was taken is another action or event in the past that happened after it. These are the forms of the past perfect. Negative. We have they hadn't been taking pictures for very long before their clothes got wet. They is the subject. Then we have hadn't, and we have been and the verb with the ing ending, which is taking. Yes or no question and answer. Had they been playing in the water for a long time when this picture was taken? We have had, and then they, which is the subject, been, and then the verb with the ing ending. The short answers are yes, they had, or no, they hadn't. WH question. How long had they been playing before the picture was taken? So here we have the WH word, how long, had, the helping verb, the subject, they, been, and the verb with the ing ending, which is playing.